Hi, I'm Stephanie from Sew Sustainably, and I'm on a mission to teach people who sew how to sew using recycled leather and other sustainable materials in their sewing projects. Come along with me on Friday, February 2nd from 6 to 9 p.m., where I'll be doing my next workshop at Little Kitchen HTX in Jersey Village. We'll be making this awesome little, not so little actually, pre-Valentine's pillow, and the leather on the pillow is from recycled leather jackets. So come along with me. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to have wine, light bites, and a lot of sewing fun. So I hope to see you there. Tickets are on Eventbrite. Thank you.